How's it? Sean from Mel's YouTube book site YouTube channel. Okay, so how do we go about finding our destiny path by using numerology as a guide? Your destiny life path number is similar to your sun sign in astrology. It includes your talents, inner drives, and challenges, and it will help you to discover why you've experienced some of life's circumstances. From the very first day of your life to the last day, you are governed by the destiny bestowed upon you by the date of your birth, which numerologically reveals the path of your destiny, the line of your personal development necessary to help you attain all you wish for in your life. All of numerology is based on the numbers 1 through to number 9. Since all numbers beyond 9 can be reduced to a single digit within that group, and zeros are automatically dropped. In order to determine the number of your destiny, you need to add together the number value of your date, the day, and the month, and the year you were born to equal right down to one digit. Remember, zeros are automatically dropped. Okay, so that's how we find our destiny path using numerology as a guide. In the videos to follow, we're going to be going through the different numbers, the destiny paths, and how to work them out. All right, for you. Alright, so please like this video, please share it, and subscribe to our channel. Okay, it's free. We're doing this awesome playlist on numerology. And also leave comments and suggestions. Alright, Sean from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel. Good day on you.